welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So I am back with a fun challenge today. So I am trying to do something new for you guys. So I thought of doing a fun challenge for you guys. So the challenge is basically I will be going to a mall and I will try to buy a full attire in just rupees 2000. And mind you guys, there are no discounts running right now, so it will be a tough task finding something new from good brands which are available in South City. So let's see what I can find out, and I'm super duper excited for this challenge. I hope you will like it. So without talking much, let's straight away go to South City Mall. Let's see what I can find in just rupees 2000. And I have this idea of buying a full attire as mentioned. I want to buy a full attire in just rupees 2000. So let's see how much I can fulfill and how much I can do this challenge. So come along with me. I'm back, and as I mentioned, today's video is going to be a little interesting one. And I actually went shopping to South City Mall and I tried buying something within rupees 2000, because I feel rupees 1000 challenge is pretty common, going to a Garyahat market or going to New Market and buying certain things. That was a little common, so I thought why not increase the money and make it rupees 2000. And why not go to a mall and shop when there's no discount. So I tried shopping. It was really a very tough task, because when certain items are on discount, you can choose and you can buy a lot of things in rupees 2000. But when you don't have discounts running and you have to buy from the fresh stock, it becomes a little tough buying a full attire in just rupees 2000, which was my main idea. Like, I wanted to buy a full attire in rupees 2000, and I did it. I did buy a full attire in just rupees 2000, and rather I saved rupees 100. So that's an achievement, and I'm super duper excited to show you guys what I bought. So let me just show you guys what I bought. So I bought from two brands. So first one being Mango and the second one being Forever 21. So let me just show you what I bought from Mango. So I bought this basic t-shirt, basic tee, which is like this. It's written Mango over here, and yeah, this is the t-shirt. This is a very basic t-shirt, and this costed me rupees 690. This was on fresh, so there was no discount on this. So this I got for rupees 690, a basic t-shirt from Mango. The next item which I bought is basically a skirt which is yellow in color, and as you guys can see, it's a solid yellow color skirt. It has two slits on either sides, and yeah, it's a very basic solid colored skirt, and I really liked the color. It's bright and it's nice. It'll go with the top as well. So this was on discount, and the original price is rupees 1300. So I'll give you the discounted price. I'll mention it over here, so you guys can have the exact price. But this was on discount, so I got this. And the next item which I got is this earring set. So as you guys can see, there are three earrings, one loop kind of a ring and two small basic earrings. So the price of this is rupees 399. This is from Tribal Zone, but this was on 50% discount, so I got it for 199, so which was a very good thing. So I can match it with this skirt because it's yellow in color. So I got this whole thing, and all of it together costed me rupees 1900. So I saved rupees 100. And yeah, let me just attach a clip. Like, I will be clicking some pictures wearing this attire, and I will be attaching it after this, so you guys can have a look how my attire is looking. And also let me know how did you guys find this fun challenge video. And let me first attach the pictures. You guys have a look how this attire is looking on me. was it, guys. I hope you like this video. I just tried something new, like, for you guys. If you like this fun challenge, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know how this attire is looking on me, and if you have any suggestions of doing any more further fun challenges like these, please do let me know in the comments, and I will surely try to do those challenges. And yeah, that was it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do give a thumbs up. Don't forget to like this video because that really motivates us. Share this video with your friends and family, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next vlog, which is coming very soon, and take care till then. Bye bye.